Have you ever wondered about the fierce competition in space exploration? Apollo and Artemis, two major NASA missions, represent two different eras in space travel. Let's dive into their unique features and impacts. Apollo, launched in the 1960s, brought humans to the Moon. First manned mission was Apollo 11 in 1969. It marked humanity's historic leap into space. Astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin took giant steps for mankind. Now, let's jump to Artemis. This program aims to return humans to the Moon. The goal is to land the first woman and the next man by 2024. Artemis emphasizes sustainable exploration. It plans to use lunar resources for future Mars missions. Both missions share a common goal: exploration. However, their approaches differ. Apollo focused on getting to the Moon quickly. Artemis aims to establish a long-term presence on the Moon. Consider a road trip. Apollo was like a quick visit to a landmark. Artemis is setting up a vacation home for future travelers. This sets the stage for deeper exploration, specifically Mars missions. In summary, Apollo showcased human capability in the 20th century. Artemis, on the other hand, fosters sustainable, long-term exploration. Both missions inspire future generations. Excited to learn more about the space race? Hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. Imagine traveling billions of miles beyond our Earth. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of deep space missions. Today, we're diving into what a deep space mission entails. Let's explore the purpose of these missions. They aim to understand our universe better. Scientists seek answers about planets, stars, and galaxies. They want to unlock the secrets of the cosmos. Now, let's explain how a deep space mission works. First, we choose a target. This could be a planet, moon, or asteroid. Next, we design a spacecraft. This vehicle must withstand extreme conditions. Then, we launch the spacecraft into orbit. Once in space, the spacecraft begins its journey. It travels vast distances, which can take years. During this time, instruments collect data. The information helps scientists analyze what they find. To visualize this, think about the Mars rover missions. These rovers journey across the Martian surface. They gather data on rocks, atmosphere, and potential life. Each discovery builds our understanding of Mars. In summary, deep space missions are crucial for exploration. They enlighten us about distant worlds and our own planet. Through careful planning and innovative technology, we push the boundaries of knowledge. Now, if you're fascinated by space, consider supporting space exploration. Learn more about upcoming missions and how you can get involved. Together, we can discover the wonders of our universe. Have you ever wondered how we send rockets to space? Meet the Space Launch System, or SLS. This incredible rocket is designed to take humans deeper into space than ever before. Let's break down what the SLS is and how it works. The SLS is a powerful rocket developed by NASA. It's built to carry astronauts and cargo to destinations like the Moon and Mars. First, the SLS has three main components. The core stage provides thrust and supports the rocket. The two solid rocket boosters add extra power during launch. Finally, the upper stage helps navigate in space. Next, let's explore how the launch process works. The SLS launches from a launch pad. Once ignited, the engines fire, propelling the rocket upward. As it ascends, it sheds weight to increase efficiency. Now, think of it like a bicycle. When a rider removes unnecessary gear, they ride faster. The SLS does something similar by discarding used boosters. Once in space, the upper stage ignites. This sends the spacecraft to its destination, whether it's orbiting the Moon or heading to Mars. These stages ensure a successful journey. The SLS is revolutionary. It will support future missions to establish a human presence on the Moon and enable unprecedented exploration of Mars. In summary, the Space Launch System is a key player in future space missions. Its powerful design, unique components, and efficient launch process make it a game changer. Ready to learn more about space exploration? Click to subscribe for more exciting content. Imagine a spacecraft designed for deep space exploration. The Orion spacecraft is that dream come to life. Built by NASA, it aims to take humans beyond low Earth orbit. Orion is not just a vehicle, it's a lifeline for astronauts. It enables missions to the Moon and beyond. Next, let's explore how Orion achieves this mission. First, Orion features a crew module. This is where astronauts live and work. It has life support systems to keep them safe. Next is the service module. It supplies power, propulsion, and thermal control. It's these systems that keep Orion functioning in space. Now, let's discuss Orion's launch system. The Space Launch System, or SLS, carries Orion into space. It generates powerful thrust to break free from Earth's gravity. Once Orion reaches space, it will travel on a precise path. It uses navigation systems to ensure accurate positioning. This allows astronauts to explore lunar orbits and distant destinations. When astronauts embark on an Orion mission, they will experience cutting-edge technology. The spacecraft is equipped with advanced communication systems. This keeps them connected to mission control on Earth. Picture this: astronauts landing on the Moon, conducting research and exploring. All of this is made possible by Orion. In summary, the Orion spacecraft is a key to future space exploration. It brings us closer to Mars and beyond. With adventurous missions ahead, Orion represents hope and discovery. Join us in following the journey of the Orion spacecraft. Stay tuned for updates and more exciting space news.
Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered? NASA does too. This organization explores space and unlocks its mysteries. NASA stands for the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It was founded in 1958. Its mission? To explore space and advance Earth science. Let's break down NASA's main functions. First, it develops space technologies. This includes rockets, satellites, and space probes. Next, it studies planets and space phenomena. NASA sends missions to Mars, the Moon, and beyond. Additionally, NASA collaborates with other countries. This boosts knowledge and shares discoveries in space exploration. Each project contributes to understanding our universe better. Imagine looking at photographs from the Hubble Space Telescope. You see galaxies, supernovae, and stunning nebulae. These images show beauty and complexity of space. In summary, NASA teaches us about our place in the universe. Their innovations shape our future and inspire generations. Want to learn more? Visit NASA's website for exciting updates.
Do you want to witness human exploration of the Moon? Artemis II will take us there. This mission is NASA's next big leap into space. Artemis II aims to take astronauts on a test flight around the Moon. It is a critical step to returning humans to lunar land. First, let's understand what Artemis II is. It is the first crewed flight in NASA's Artemis program. The mission includes 4 astronauts who will orbit the Moon. They will launch aboard the Orion spacecraft, developed for deep space missions. Now, how does this mission work? The launch will occur aboard the Space Launch System, SLS. It's the most powerful rocket ever built. Once launched, it will push Orion into space, heading towards the Moon. After several days, Orion will reach lunar orbit. Here, the astronauts will perform tests. They will check spacecraft systems and life support equipment. This ensures everything works before future moon landings. Imagine how incredible it will be to see humans orbit the moon. This mission will gather invaluable data for future Artemis missions. These will include the first woman and person of color landing on the moon. In summary, Artemis II is crucial for returning humans to the moon. It builds the foundation for sustainable lunar exploration and eventual Mars missions. Are you excited about this journey? Stay updated on Artemis II progress. Follow NASA's channels and join the adventure.